Welcome to day 6 of the 24-day Python coding challenge. Today, we're diving into functions in Python, a powerful way to write reusable and organized code. What you'll learn today: defining functions, how to create and use functions, function arguments and parameters, passing data into functions, return statements, getting results from functions, scope and lifetime of variables, understanding local and global variables. Why should we learn function? Functions reduce repetition, improve code readability, and make debugging easier. They are the building blocks of efficient programming. Let's dive deeper. Functions are blocks of reusable code that perform specific tasks. Instead of writing the same code multiple times, you can create a function and call it whenever needed. Functions make code more readable, reusable, and organized. How to create and use functions. In Python, functions are defined using the def keyword. Here, greet is a function that prints a message when called. To use a function, you need to call it by writing the name of the function and the open and close bracket symbol. How do we pass data into functions? Functions can accept inputs, called parameters, to process different values. Here, name is a parameter. You can pass different values when calling the function, so we can pass the data by writing this. Greet Alice, greet Bob, to give us an output of hello Alice or hello Bob. Return statements. Sometimes, you want a function to return a value instead of just printing it. Like here, the return statement sends back a value when the function is called. Local versus global variables. Variables inside a function are local. They exist only inside that function, while global exists throughout the program. Like when we run this code, we will get error. Name X is not defined. X only exists inside test, so it cannot be accessed outside the function. Let's take another example to understand function more. Def calculate underscore area, length, width. This defines a function named calculate underscore area that takes two parameters, length and width. Return length asterisk width. This calculates the area of a rectangle and returns the result. Area equals calculate underscore area, 5, 10. This calls the function with length equals 5 and width equal 10, and stores the return value in area. Print, the area is area. This prints the final result. Day 6 task, mastering functions in Python. Define a simple function that takes a name as input and prints a greeting message. Modify the function to accept user input instead of using a fixed name. Create a function with a return value that takes a number and returns its square. Extend the function to also return the cube of the number. Write a function with multiple arguments to calculate the area of a rectangle using length and width. Modify the function to also calculate the perimeter of the rectangle. Experiment with local and global variables to understand their behavior inside and outside functions. Share your progress using #24dayPythonChallenge and engage with the community.